Welcome students to mathematics class. All of you take your textbook and a copy. I already given some homeworks. I hope you all done this homeworks. And students, this all works please do in your fair copy. Understood? Okay, let's start. Okay students, we are done up to question number 8. Okay, now let us do question number 9. All of you take your copy. Question number 9, 658 minus 478. Okay students, first of all of you write the place value, hundreds, tens and ones. Okay, let's write this number according to the place value. 658 minus 478. Okay, now let's start with ones column. In ones column 8 minus 8 is there, so all of you know this. 8 minus 8 is 0. Okay, next tens column 5 minus 7 is there, so you know that you cannot or we cannot subtract 7 from 5. We cannot subtract 7 from 5. So let us break up hundreds column. So students, in this situation you have to break up hundreds column. Means you cannot subtract 7 from 5. So let us break up this column, hundreds column. So students, remember, when we take out 1 hundreds or 1 tens, so when we take out 1 hundreds or 1 from this number, so that time we will cancel and write 5 here, because we have already taken 1 from here. That 1 will go or 1 will come here, so this number will become 15. Now it's 15 minus 7. Now we can do this subtraction easily. What is 15 minus 7? Can anyone say what is 15 minus 7? Okay, very good. It's 8. Okay, next one is hundreds column. So here 5 minus 4 is there, so we can do this subtraction easily. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. So we got the answer 180. 180. Okay, next question number 10. 789 minus 393. So for this question we have to write first place value, then we can write the number according to the place value. 789 minus 393. Okay, let's start with the ones column. Ones column is that 9 minus 3. What is 9 minus 3? Is 6. So next one is that tens column. In tens column, you know that we cannot subtract 9 from 8. So let's break up hundreds column. Let's take 1 from hundreds column. So this 7 will be changed to 6. Okay students, remember when we take out 1 from this number or any number, so that time this number we should change, or we should cancel that number, and we should cancel and write 6 here. So 1 will taken to the hundreds column, tens column. So here 18 is there. Now we can do subtraction easily. 18 minus 9. What is 18 minus 9? Is 9. So now next hundreds column, 6 minus 3. What is 6 minus 3? Is 3. Okay, very good. Okay, we got the answer 396. Okay students, 2 questions are homework. Question number 11 and 12. Okay, let us wind up today's class. See you tomorrow. Stay home, stay safe.